So over here, we're just going to look at the features of Arena.ai. So Arena.ai give us different kind of modes, different kind of AI features. So Arena.ai has different kind of AI app all in one. It's like an all-in-one platform. So this platform is one of the best you can access for free. Okay, they give you access to different platforms. So in this particular video, we are going to be looking at what we can do with Arena.ai. You can have access to multiple AI app, different kind of companies on this particular Arena.ai. So we're going to go over to what we have here. We have battle mode. Battle mode means that it's going to create you can merge two different AI app together to create one particular image, and with both app will create the image side by side. All right, and you will now pick the one that is better. That means you have options. So there's battle mode, anonymous. All right, you will not know which particular app created it, but there's also side by side. That means you will be the one to pick the particular AI app that you want to use inside this Arena.ai. And this Arena.ai can create many things. It can also create a website for you. So we're going to go over to we have a prompt that I've already written down. So this is a prompt, an image prompt that is going to use to generate image. So as you can see, we have image. So you're able to go ahead and generate it. Now what's going to happen now is it's going to give us an image, but we're not going to know the company that produced this image. Okay, that's two different app battle mode. So I said generate a real image of a man dressed in black suit walking along the street of London with beautiful structures in background and people walking by. So beautiful structures in the background, in the sense that the environment, there are beautiful houses and people are walking by. So mind you, this is image. All right, so as you can see, we're just going to go to continue. So over here is generating same image, but it's using two different AI applications. So you can see it's giving us right up. So we made a mistake here. So it was research we went for, research. That is why so that was a mistake. I'll just go ahead and copy it. So I'm going to repost it. You can see it's giving us a research document. So I'll click on image. So to be specific, that what we need is image. So I click on image. I'll go ahead and click on image. So in here, just image now. I'll resubmit I will resubmit our script again. We will click on paste. Just click on submit. So this time around, it's going to create image. It's going to create two different kind of image, and these two images are going to be created by two different AI applications. So you are going to make use of the one that you like the most, and you can vote either vote for the one that is best. So if you just let it just display, then I will show you what you are going to see from it. So all right, it's coming up already. All right, so a few more seconds. Okay, this display. So exactly the same prompt, but you can see that the display is different. That's because this is a battle mode. He merged two different AI together to give out the same result. Now these two results, we're going to pick the one that is the best. Here you can either vote for the first, or you can vote A or B, or you can vote both. Either both is bad or both are good. All right, you can only vote one. So these are the kind of votes. So for me, I prefer the B. All right, because the B is more pronounced. Right, so you can go ahead and download the image in case you want to make use of it. You can go ahead and click on download. You download it to your system. You can also do that on your phone if it's just a browser. All right, it's not an app, it's a website. You can go to Arena.ai on your phone. You can do the same on your phone. So you can, this is a real image, not a 3D. This is not a 3D image. This is a real image. You can see people in the background. You can see how real this image look like. Yes, you can really use, you can animate this image, right? It's going to look real when you animate it. So we can go over to battle mode, side by side. Now these on battle mode, if we're going to use battle mode, for example, you are going to be the one to select the particular AI software that you are going to use. As you can see, we have ChatGPT image 1, we have Queen Image Pro. So we can go ahead and just select. So there's a drop down, you can just select the particular one you need. So you can go over to, you can see that's right. Let me zoom this in. That's image 4.0 generate 001. This ChatGPT image 1, Seed Dreams 4 high. So all these are different apps, right? It's almost like the pro version. You can have access to what the pro will give to you. So I'll click on that, and so now I want to create both side by side. So what I wanted to generate for me now, the image I wanted to generate for me now, they are going to generate it side by side. So I'm going to pick the particular AI application that I want, and I'm going to merge them together and see which is better. All right, so we are going to do that now. So I just look for the one that suits what I want to create. All right, we have our Seed Dream, we have Recraft V4. So we're going to post our prompt, still the same prompt. So don't forget to click on your image before you submit your prompt, so that it will know what you want, whether you want a research or you want image generation. So both of them are generating image. Oh, okay, we didn't. This is ChatGPT image 1.5, and this, all right, I think it reset. It did a resetting. I didn't notice that. So that's not what we picked. But anyway, we are still going to go ahead and make use of them. This is Gemini 3 Pro. You can see ChatGPT is faster than Gemini. Yes, ChatGPT is already creating. Gemini is still in the process of creating. So I give that to ChatGPT because it's very fast. Except Gemini is going to create something very, very extraordinary. I give it to ChatGPT. Wow. Okay, in this case, I think ChatGPT is still preferable. Yeah, Gemini tried. Let me zoom that in. I think Gemini tried. So what do you think? I think I prefer ChatGPT. It's easy to use, though Gemini is showing a full picture. So I'm going to just vote that. So I either vote A or I vote B, or I can vote that both are bad or both are good. That means I don't want to take side, or I can just pick both are bad to show that will give them a review. So I can just go ahead and download the image from up there. So click on download. So I vote for A. I think I vote for A, ChatGPT. So you can click on, there's a download button at the top of your image. You can just go ahead and click on it. Alright, so this time around we are going to try and create a video. Now directly with Arena.ai, you can just go ahead and create your video without creating an image first. You know, in most cases, in most of our AIs, we used to animate image. We create the image first, then we make the image speak. But over here, we can just go ahead and create video. You can see you can create video, you can write code for you, you can create image for you. This you can create complete full website for you. We're also going to be looking at that in our next class. So we're going to use Arena.ai to create complete websites. Now I'm going to go over and copy my prompt. This particular prompt is to create video. So so it's not an image. So I want to generate. So I say generate an advert video for a business. The name of the business of the brand is Tech Media. An introductory 10 seconds video showing some graphic intro with the name. Make it real. That's an error. Make it real amateur. So I say to make it real, just like a real advert. So I'm going to submit that and see what they have for us. So I didn't give it any image to animate. I just gave it a direct prompt. All right, I gave it a direct prompt, and don't forget I click on video on the bottom of it. All right, you must click on what you want to generate. If it is image, you must click on image. If it is video, you must click on video before you submit your prompt, so you can know what to generate. So you can see the prompt I gave to it is very short and straight to the point. It's going to create exactly what I ask. All right, so you're just going to wait for it to generate. It usually takes some time to generate. Right, just bear with it. Usually take close to, I think, 30 seconds to 40 seconds in most cases. Sometimes it also depends on your fast. If your network is very fast, it can also affect the creative ability. So we're almost done. So just patiently waiting for that to create. I think my network is very slow. I think I have a very slow network, but it's going to create very soon. I'm very sure. All right, it's already creating. Okay, this is it. It has already been created. So you can see on the first side, that's Tech Media. You can see the display. So let me take that again. That's the intro. All right. So on the other hand, let me see what they have for us. Okay, I don't know what they wrote there. That's not Tech Media. Now you see the difference. I don't know what they wrote there. That's not what I submitted, and that is not Tech Media. So I think I'm going to vote. It's not. I'm going to vote for A, because A gave me exactly what I want. You can see the display. So it's very easy. You have a brand and you need to create a kind of an intro for your brand. It's very easy. Just one click and your brand is ready to be created. The animation is ready. You can just animate it, and that is all. Just a prompt. Just one prompt away from creating that particular thing you want to create. It's that easy to create this period. So I'm going to give it to A, so you can